If you frequently travel by plane, you've definitely seen the next company on our list in action, and that is Clear Secure. This innovative company specializes in providing secure identity verification services through its Clear platform. Their business revolves around using biometrics like fingerprints and iris scans to swiftly and accurately verify identities. This technology is primarily used in airports to expedite security checks, but it's also applied in other venues such as stadiums and for various uses including health pass verifications. But another interesting product that they offer is Clear Verified, a business-to-business offering that extends the secure identity platform to partners for creating friction-free customer experiences. Services like this can be used for companies required to follow KYC or Know Your Customer laws. In addition, Atlas Certified is an automated solution for verifying professional licenses and certifying data across various industries. Over the past 2 quarters, the company's income statement has shown notable improvement, positioning it back on the path to profitability. Clear Secure recently enhanced its buyback program by $100 million, retiring $84.9 million worth of shares in Q1 of 2024, equating to 6% of its market cap.